St. Stephen's Basilica is a Catholic basilica located in the center of Budapest. At first, the structure was supposed to be named after Saint Leopold, the patron of Austria, but the plan was changed and the church was named after Stephen, the first king of Hungary. King Stephen's alleged right hand is supposed to be preserved in the reliquary of the basilica. Today, St. Stephen's Basilica represents the third largest church in Hungary. Many sculptors have contributed to the inner decoration of St. Stephen's Basilica. More than 50 different types of marble were used to shape a number of sculptures. Just like the Hungarian Parliament building, the Basilica is one of the tallest buildings of Budapest with its 96 meters. Back in the days, this equality symbolized the same importance of the laical and spiritual power within the city. The basilica was built in neoclassical style and the church has a Greek cross-ground plan. The facade is characterized by its two large bell towers. In the southern tower, there is the largest bell of Hungary. Budapest is the capital and most populous city of Hungary. It is the ninth largest city in the European Union by population within city limits and the second largest city on the Danube River. The chain bridge is one of the symbols of Budapest. It passes through the Danube from Pest all the way to the stairs leading to Buda castle. Chain bridge is a suspension bridge crossing the Danube river. It connects the two areas of the city, that is to say Buda and Pest. Designed by the English engineer William Clark, it was the first permanent bridge on the Danube River, which was opened in 1849 after the Hungarian Revolution of 1848. The bridge was financed by the Greek merchant Georgios Sinas, who had strong financial and trading interests in connecting the two areas of the city. It was designed in sections and shipped from the United Kingdom to Hungary for its final construction. At the beginning of 1900, some additional works in cast iron were made, making the structure even more solid. However, they were not enough. During World War II, the bridge was blown up on 18th January 1945 by the retreating German troops during the siege of Budapest. Only the towers remained after the explosion. The bridge was rebuilt and reopened in 1949. The chain bridge made of cast iron became the symbol of progress in Budapest, as well as a symbol of national pride, thanks to its magnificence and solidity. Two impressive and neoclassical pillars equidistant from the two shores of the river support the structure, which reaches its highest peak in the center span with more than 200 meters in length. The majestic Buda castle rises above the city of Várhegyi, the hill of Budapest. The castle has always had a turbulent history which reflects the different ups and downs of the history of Hungary. Today, the castle, which is often called the Royal Palace, is home to a number of cultural institutes, including two museums, the Hungarian National Gallery and the Budapest Historical Museum. Matthias Fountain is a monumental fountain group in the western forecourt of Buda Castle. This neo-Baroque masterpiece is one of the most frequently photographed landmarks in the Hungarian capital. It is sometimes called the Trevi Fountain of Budapest. The group depicts a hunting party led by Matthias Corvinus, the King of Hungary. Chimney cake is a spit cake specific to Hungarians from Transylvania, now Romania. The first written record dates back to 1679. Earlier a festive treat, now it is a part of everyday consumption. Matthias Church is a very majestic and impressive church. It is one of the city's oldest buildings and is located on the Buda hill in front of the Fisherman's Bastion, not too far from the castle. Also known as Church of Our Lady, this holy building, constructed in the florid late Gothic style, has more than 700 years of history. It has been the site of several coronations as well as 2 royal weddings. The building was transformed into a mosque during the Turkish reign. Matthias Church was brought back to its original majestic thanks to its restoration in the 19th century. The roof is covered with the famous Zolnitz ceramic tiles, giving an extra touch of charm to the whole structure. Fisherman's Bastion is located right behind the Matthias Church in the Castle district. It is one of the city's biggest tourist draws and functions as some sort of ornate viewing platform. Well known for the wonderful panoramic views it provides of the city of Budapest, the castle-like Fisherman's Bastion was built in 1905 mainly for decorative purposes. The structure looks straight out of some fairy tale and conjures up thoughts of Cinderella or Sleeping Beauty. Still, its architectural style nicely complements that of the Church of Our Lady, which was the intention of the architect. The church is characterized by a unique atmosphere and it is decorated with frescoes that have been added during the restoration works between 1895 and 1903. Matthias Church is home to the Ecclesiastical Art Museum, showcasing several sacred relics and replicas of the Hungarian royal crown and coronation jewels. The bastion is made up of 7 towers, each one symbolizing one of the 7 Magyar tribes that in 896 settled in the area known as Hungary.
Sometimes when I try to reason, you don't seem to listen at all. I don't know if it's just a feeling, or if we are about to fall. The rain will come back. The rain will come back. The rain will come back. I'll find us another treasure to hold on to through the storm. And I know love is hard to manage, but with you I can see its form. The rain will come back. The rain will come back. The rain will come back.
Langos is a classical Hungarian fried bread sold everywhere by street carts and vendors. It can be topped with a variety of ingredients but is usually eaten as it is. Fluffy and light, this favorite fair food is made from yeasted dough and is a very popular snack. Some other pairings include sour cream, onions, kefir, sausage, eggs, yogurt, cheese, ham, or bacon.